How to use Rufus AI in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this chat icon. Simply tap on this chat icon. So basically, this is Rufus AI. This is the AI that is integrated in Amazon shopping. Here, you can ask anything to this Rufus AI. So here you can see different kinds of questions that are already available. So you can simply tap on the question or ask your customized question, so it will give you different type of suggestion automatically. Here you can even chat it with it, and later it will give you the suggestion according to the preference or the want that you have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.